Hello students, you welcome in our YouTube channel Vivekananda Academy of Learning. So students, today we are going to learn and discuss about certain MCQs which is totally based on 7 C's and business communication. So it is of become semester 1, semester first. So HNGU means Hamchandrachari North Gujarat University is going to be conduct the examination soon. So we have prepared certain MCQs which may be helpful to you. Okay, so now let's get started. And if you're new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon so that you can get notification from our channel. So firstly we will learn what are the 7 C's. So 7 C's are correctness, clarity, conciseness, completeness, consideration, concreteness and courtesy. So these are the 7 C's. Now we will discuss about MCQs, means we will study about MCQs. First, blank is not one of the 7 C's of communication. So among these options, just we have to clarify that which is the not 7 C's of communication. So character, over here we haven't seen character. So character is not, it is quite easy. So the answer is D, character is not one of the 7 C's of communication. Now second question, downward communication flows from blank to blank, means downward communication flows from upper to lower. So A is correct answer. Now third question, horizontal communication takes place between, options are A superior to subordinate, B subordinate to superior, C employees with same status, D none of these. So the correct answer is C, employees with same status. Next question, appeals and representations are used in blank communication. So the answer is A horizontal, B downward, C upward, D grapevine. So the correct answer is C upward. Appeals and representations are used in upward communication. Next question, the formal greeting with which a business letter begins is called, options are A reference, B subject, C salutations and D body copy. So the correct answer is C salutation. Next question 6, the following is, whether you can use R, non-verbal communications. Options are A facial expression, B appearance, C posture and D all of the above. So the correct answer is D all of the above, means facial expressions, appearance, postures. These are the verbal communication. So sorry, non-verbal communications. Next question, while we speak, so when we speak sentences, and speaking shortly, speaking is verbal communications, means the communications which we use by verbally, so it is verbal communication. But facial expression, appearance and postures are the non-verbal communications. Next question, the handshake that conveys confidence is, options are A limp, means soft or C soft or weak, B firm, C loose, D double. So the correct answer is B firm. Next question, communication is the task of imparting, means giving. Options are A training, B information, C knowledge and D message. So the correct answer is B information. Next question, body of a letter is divided into blank parts. So the answer is A1, B2, C3, D4. So the correct answer is C3. So body of letter is divided into 3 parts. Next question, which of the following terms best describes the grapevine as a communication pattern? Answer is B informal. What is the answer? B informal. Next question, in general human beings are, options are A indifferent communicators, B. perfect communicators, C. good communicators, and D. poor communicators. So the answer is D. poor communicators. Next question. The word communication is derived from communis, means Latin, which means options are A. common, B. community, C. message, and D. oral speech. So the correct answer is A. common, means communis means common in Latin. Next question. Generally speaking, in a business we communicate. Options are A. to both pursued, समझाऊ and inform. Next, B. only to pursued, C. only to inform, D. only to entertain. So the correct answer is A. to both pursued and inform. Next question. Effective communication is essentially A. Options are both a one-way and two-way process, B. two-way process, C. one-way process, D. three-way process. So the correct answer is A. both a one-way and two-way process. Next question. In business, the purpose of writing is mainly to. Options are A. entertain, B. both inform and pursue, C. pursued, D. inform. So the correct answer is both inform and pursue. Next question. If the employees do not abide by the norms of organizations or violate the rules and regulations, the employer will give blanks to the employee. What? A warning, B. suggestion, C. counseling, D. advice. So the correct answer is A. warning. Next question. Every organization has a social responsibility. Options are A. true or false. So the correct answer is true. Every organization has a social responsibility. Next question. Which of these elements is not involved in the process of communication? And option is A. pipe, B. sender, C. message, and D. channel. So the correct answer is A. pipe. Pipe is not involved in the communication process within process of communication. Next question. A sender is a person who transmits a message. True and false. So the correct answer is A. true. Sender is person who transmit a message or information. Next question. Which of these is the third element of communication? Options are A. sender, B. channel, C. message, and D. receiver. So the correct answer is B. channel. Next question. For effective communication, which of these commandments should one not follow? So so options are A. objective of communication, B. inadequate medium, C. clarity, D. adequate medium. So the correct answer is B. inadequate medium. Next question. To make our communication effective, we should follow blank C's, 5 C's, 7 C's, 9 C's, or 3 C's. So the correct answer is B. 7 C's. Next question. Which is not included in the 7 C's of effective communication? So the correct answer is C. chronemics. Means correctness belongs to 7 C's, courtesy and correctness also. Next question. Which of the following is not 7 C's of effective communication? Clarity of expression, conciseness of message, courtesy towards recipient, D. coordination in work. So the correct answer is coordination in work. Next question. The following is the permanent record for business. Options are A. business letter, B. ledgers, C. production reports, D. all of the above. So the correct answer is A. business letters. Next question. The blank body of the presentation should be broken into short and clear units. Options are A main, B middle, C upper, and D lower. So the correct answer is main body. Next question. The blank of business letter is called layout. Options are A body, B content, C pattern, D all of the above. So the correct answer is C pattern. Next question. The person who sends out a message is the options are A sender, B receiver, C caller, D messenger. So the correct answer is A sender. Next question. Sign language is actually considered a form of communication that uses words, so it is A non-verbal, B verbal. So the correct answer is B verbal communication. Next question. Laughter, even though it involves sounds, doesn't use any words, so it is considered verbal, non-verbal. So it is quite easy. It is non-verbal. So non-verbal is the correct answer. Next question. A written message from someone you sent a message to is called options are A back talk, B forwarding, C feedback, D retweet. So the correct answer is C feedback. Next question. The person who receives a message is called, it's quite easy, B receiver. The person who receives message, it is known as receiver. Next question. Words are just symbols we use to communicate with each other. Options are A false, B true. So the correct answer is B true. Next question. Communication is options are A one-way process, two-way process, three-way process, four-way process. So the correct answer is obviously two-way process. Next question. Communication saves time in oral communication, interview, internal communication, reschedule. So the correct answer is A oral communication. Next question. Posters fall under blank communication. Options are A oral, B visual, C written, D spoken. So the correct answer is B visual. Yeah, it is quite easy. While you see some of the picture posters which is clinging on the different walls that you found, that is visual communication. Next question. On the blank, it is possible to get feedback immediately. Options are A telephone, B letter, C email, D fax. So the correct answer is A telephone. Next question. Communication is the blank of a business. Backbone, lifeblood, nervous systems, D. Both A and 2 means A and B. So the correct answer is answer A, backbone of business. Next question. Communication involving no words is called non-verbal, verbal, subverbal, or written. So the correct answer is A non-verbal. Communication involves no words is called non-verbal. It is quite easy because there is no word, so it is non-verbal. If there is words, then it is verbal. So answer is A non-verbal. Next question. Memos are sent to people outside your organization. A true, B false. So the correct answer is B false. Next question. Letters are normally sent to people inside your organizations. Yeah, it is true. Next question. You must include a subject line on a letter. Options are A true, B false. So the correct answer is B false. Next question. You do not include a closing and signature on a memo. Correct option is A true. Next question. Sincerely and cordially are example of closing. Yeah, it is quite easy. So it is true. Next question. Blank is pre-printed stationery with the organization name, logo, address, and phone number. Options are A. Enclosure, B. Letterhead, C. Memo, D. Letter. So the correct answer is B. Letterhead. Next question. When your letter extends onto a second page, you should use blank for the second page. Options are A. Letterhead, B. You can use letterhead or plain paper, it doesn't matter. C. Colored paper, D. Plain paper. So the correct answer is D. Plain paper. Next question. The second page to a business letter should have a page heading that includes the following aspects except A. Date, B. Address, C. Page number, D. Reader's name. So the correct answer is B. Address. Next question. The pre-printed part of the letter that appears across the top margin and includes the name of the business is called the A. Inside address, B. Letterhead, C. Address notation. So the correct answer is B. Letterhead. Next question will be in second part. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that everyone can get benefit of this video. Hope so you would like, and if you want PDF of this particular video, then do message me on this given number. Okay friends, bye, see you, take care, all the best.